to my channel. Bloopers! For those who don't eat dairy or don't, actually is this dairy? That's a stupid thing to say. This is dairy. Yo. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am gonna be making ice cream today. And it's the TikTok viral flavored ice cream. It's the cottage cheese, strawberries, and this is low calorie syrup. And then this is the Hershey's strawberry syrup. The thing is, this isn't a part of the actual recipe. I'm adding it because at the bottom it says fat free. So I was like, yeah, I'm about to add this to my ice cream. And honestly, I'm not really a honey person, so it depends on what you want to use. Like if you want to use honey or if you want to use syrup, it's up to you guys. You can also use like full fat cottage cheese with like the curds being thick or whatever, or you can use the low fat. From the recipe, I've heard or read that if you use the one that has more fat, it makes the ice cream more creamier. But I'm trying to keep low on fat, so that's why I'm using the low fat one. This is just me testing it out, so I will let you guys know how I actually like it. So I'm using the cottage cheese, low fat, and I believe this has 4 servings in it. Each serving is 13 grams of protein, and that would be, half a cup is 13 grams, bro. So then I'm gonna use these strawberries. I got them cut because I was super lazy and I didn't want to cut and wash my strawberries. So I don't really know how much I'm going to use of this, but I'll let you guys know how many full strawberries I use for the ice cream. And then for the sugar-free, low-calorie syrup, this is Carrie's sugar-free, low-calorie syrup. Honestly, I think I got this from Target, but I'm not sure. So you can always Google it and see where you can get it from. The Hershey syrup, you can get this from Market Basket. Actually, I'm pretty sure I got this from Wegmans. So if you wanna go to Wegmans, maybe all of this is there. The recipe says to blend everything in a blender. So what I'm gonna do is blend everything. It should have a creamy look to it. It all depends on how you guys want to make your ice cream taste, look, and you want your blend to look like that. It's kind of like when you make a smoothie, you're like freezing your smoothie, but this is not a smoothie. This is a good alternative, and it also is high in protein, which is really good. For those of you who are like me, who have trouble eating their fruits, this is a good option. I'm gonna put everything inside of a blender. All right. All right, you guys, so I blended everything. It looks pretty good. It's nice and pink. So what I'm gonna do is put everything inside a container. It's not as creamy, but it's because I used the low fat one. So let's see how this tastes in a couple hours. All right, guys, so I let the ice cream freeze for about 4 hours because I just ended up doing my own stuff while I let it freeze. But I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the inside. I actually filled up the liquid that I blended up into like an old ice cream container because I didn't know where else to put it. But it did turn out hard, so let's see what it looks like inside. This is like a close-up of what it looks like inside. It's pink. I think it turned all pink because I put the syrup in there. So this is a closer shot. It is sliding. It's like iced out a little, but once you get into the middle, it's pretty good. It's not like ice cream, but it also isn't ice cream. It's like cottage cheese. So if you eat half a cup of this, it's 13 grams of protein. So it's not bad, you guys. It's not bad. Totally try it and let me know. So let me know if you guys actually like this recipe. I thought that it would be something nice to try because it went viral on TikTok. And I also have a difficulty like getting my protein in. So if you have about half a cup of this, it's 13 grams of protein right there. Pretty simple, and not a lot of people really like cottage cheese, so this is a way where you can actually eat it and not taste it. And you can also make it any flavor you want. You can put cookies in there, you can put chocolate chips in there. So please like, comment, and subscribe to your girls channel below, and let me know how you guys like this recipe. I am gonna finish this bowl, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.